What if I told you you could build real working websites without writing a single line of code? Today I'm asking AI to make 10 different HTML apps, everything from a calculator to a game, and we'll see which ones actually work. I'm using Gemini, no coding tools, just plain English prompts. Each idea gets one shot, one prompt, and 1 minute. Let's go. We're starting with a tip calculator. Make a clean HTML tip calculator with bill amount, tip percentage, and total. 10 seconds. Simple tip calculator. Now, this doesn't have a download as HTML, so you have to copy contents, open a notepad, paste the contents into a notepad, and save as with .html as the ending. So we'll call this tip calculator .html. That way we can open it as its own widget, basically. And by the end of this video, we're going to have 10 simple widgets. So let's see how fast we can do these. Let's move on to number 2. Flashcard quiz. Create an interactive 5-card English vocabulary quiz with show hide answers. Ubiquitous, because I can't say that. Ephemeral. Definition: present, appearing, or found everywhere. End of quiz. Now you could follow up prompt, but the purpose of today's video is to speedrun these. We're going to save this as an HTML file, just like we did with the last one. Number 3 is a mood tracker. Build a daily mood tracker with emojis that saves to local storage. Happy. My mood is sent to happy. Now we could follow up prompt and say we need to add tracking. It's saved to my private Firestore collection. So let's save this one as well. Let's do number 4, workout timer. Make a 60-second countdown timer with the start reset button. Done. That took 5 seconds. Let's see if it works. Counts down. You can't enter the time entry, but you could follow up a prompt with that if you wanted to count up. If you wanted to have intervals, you could do any of that. Let's move on to number 5. Now, this one might be a little bit hard. It might need an API engaged in it, but we're going to see how it comes up with just a simple 1-sentence prompt. Build a web page that displays a random motivational quote when you click a button. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's take a look at the code and see. Okay, so it's preloaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's preloaded 8 quotes. That's cool. So it just did a quick search, I guess, and found the quotes. That's great. Let's save that and move on to number 6. Number 6 is a weather widget. Now you would want to get some sort of API set up in order to have accurate data. So we're using mock data. Create a simple weather widget that shows city, temp, and icon. 5 seconds again. San Francisco, California, 18 degrees or 64, partly cloudy. Let's move on to number 7. A to-do list. Make a minimalist to-do list that stores tasks in local storage. As simple as can be, and that took 5 seconds. Color palette generator. Generate 5 random color swatches with their hex codes and copy buttons. Exactly what we asked for. Let's move on to number 9. Rock, scissors, paper game. Build a simple rock, scissors, paper game against the computer. If there's an error, you can just click fix error or show console, and console will show you the error. Usually with a simple app like this, clicking fix error will solve the problem. All right, it keeps score and everything. This is beautiful. Let's move on to the last one, number 10. Simple budget tracker. Create a simple expense tracker with description, amount, and running total. Beautiful. Simple. Error. So it's basically a calculator. Right, it shows the running total. So it's a simple calculator, all done in 30 seconds. This is what makes AI wild right now. You don't need to be a developer to start building things that actually work. You just need curiosity and a browser. Next time I'm going to try turning voice into a full storyboard, so if you want more real-world AI builds, hit subscribe.